Hello everyone. Today we are going to see how we can change the data source in Power BI from CSV to MySQL database. So in this sales analysis report, I have imported the CSV file. So this is the file which I have imported to that report. So I need to change the source from CSV to MySQL database now. So this scenario where it comes is whenever we are joining a new team, there the tables will not be in the proper format, like a finalized table will not be available. Data engineering team need to work on that. So in that span of time, once the wireframe is finalized for us, what they will do is they will be providing us the sample file. So D team will be providing us the sample file. They need to fix some there will be some data issue, so those gaps they need to fix it. So they will be finalizing these columns, and they will be providing us the sample data either in the form of Excel file or CSV file. So we will be getting from them, and we will be starting to prepare the report. So once data engineering team have finalized the tables, right? They will be providing us the table either in MySQL database or SQL Server or data bricks, either any of the form they used to give it. So in that case, what we need to do, we need to switch the source from CSV file to, in this case, we need to switch the data source from CSV to MySQL database. So we can see how we can do that. We can click on this transform data. Again, click on transform data. So here the table is being visible. Here we can see applied steps. These three steps are available for CSV file. So one is for the source. Source is coming from CSV. Promoted header is the column header which is being promoted in the CSV file. Next is change type. The data type will be changed accordingly automatically. So what we need to do is in applied steps for CSV file, we need to change these to source and the promoted header. If in my this promoted header is not required in MySQL while changing the source, because it automatically fixes this promoted header steps. So we can see how we can do that. So for that, we need to import the MySQL data. So we have already a data, whatever it is there in CSV file. No, we have already in uh, MySQL here. If you can see here, no, the same columns, everything will be available. So we need to import this one MySQL data in Power BI. So click on new source, click on more, type MySQL data, MySQL connect, click on connect, and in server space, what we need, click on the section, and our server name is localhost. So paste here, and database, it's a superstore underscore DB, right? You need to copy this, paste here, click on OK. So it is asking us the database detail. Username is root. So paste here, and you need to give whatever the login password you have given, no? So that one we need to give. I'm giving it, and click on the DB and click on connect. So this is the table which we have seen in MySQL database. Click on that and click on OK. So it had been imported. This is the MySQL DB, right? SQL. From MySQL, the data have come. So what we need to do is we need to go to advanced editor here. we need to copy these two steps. Copy it, click on cancel, go to orders, which is coming from CSV file. No, click on this, click on advanced editor. As I said, we need to replace these two steps. So paste that. And if you see here, no, the previous steps should be the previous step variable name is superstore underscore dp superstore data. The same it should be updated here. So click on done. So once it is done, you can delete on this SQL, whichever we have imported from MySQL. Now you can delete it. Now we have replaced the source here and click on OK. It is taking time to refresh it. So if you can see here, no, automatically like after doing that steps, so whatever the data which was available before, it has been available now also, but the source it's been changed from CSV to MySQL. So this is how we need to change the data source. Hope this information is useful to you all. Thank you.